The Chamberlain Group is the world's leading manufacturer of garage door openers and access solutions. We've been around for over 50 years, and we continue to innovate the market by driving connectivity and other innovative solutions. BILT has affected our customer purchasing decisions by increasing our star ratings. We've had a 0.13 out of 5-star increase for the average person that uses BILT. Star ratings are becoming more important to the purchase decision for end users and give them confidence when there's a higher star rating. We mention BILT in our product carousels and a lot of our customer pages because customers believe that they can assemble something that has the BILT logo on it and the BILT instructions that come with it. BILT has affected our Net Promoter Score by increasing it. 70% of people that use the app rate it as a 9 or 10, meaning they'd recommend it to a friend. And that's because the installation process is so easy. The BILT app step-by-step definitely makes it a lot easier. Over the aggregate, we can prove some products are easier to install than others looking at the analytics. So the analytics on a particular product, our top-of-the-line opener, we were challenged by some of our vendors to say, is this easy to install? We could actually prove with a high sample size, a number of people assembled it on average an hour less than our other operators.